Everybody, it's Dave with Sell House Columbus, and we're here at another closing. I'm here with Miss Nancy.
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
And we are buying Nancy's house. It's a home here in Grove City. And Nancy, how did you find Sell House Columbus? How did you find us?
Someone put a card on my mailbox advertising that they buy homes.
We do a lot of postcard marketing and stuff like that. And have you gotten other cards like that in the past?
I have one other card. Yes, I've gotten other cards in the past.
Yep. So you picked up the phone, you gave us a call, and then what was your experience like working with us?
It was a pleasant experience. At no time did I ever feel demeaned or
Belittled?
belittled in
Yeah.
any way, because I wanted to sell my house quick.
Yeah.
And it had gotten out of hand in repairs in the last years, and as I grew older, it just more than I could handle on my own.
Yeah, no, it's very common. We buy houses in every situation, no matter how much repairs it needs, and we buy houses for all cash. And what would you say to somebody else in your situation? Maybe they have a house, maybe they got a postcard from us, maybe the house needs some repairs. What would you say to somebody else in a similar situation?
I would say definitely call him. Walker will be right there, and he'll make a evaluation on the spot and make you feel a whole lot relieved.
Excellent. We got a great team. It's myself, Walker, Jonathan, RJ. We got a whole crew of us out there. And it's been a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
And if you have a house you want to sell, find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com, or pick up the phone. You can reach us, 614-300-5151. I'm Dave Payerchin, and we'll see you on the next video.